If your third eye chakra is blocked, you may feel lost in life, like you don't have direction. This energy center deals with intuition, wisdom, insight, and imagination. It is located in the center of the forehead. It is associated with the pineal gland, which is a small gland in the center of the brain. The third eye chakra has control over seeing, not just in a physical sense, but in a mystical sense, intuitive seeing, clairvoyance, and other forms of intuitive knowing. This center is blocked by fear of the past, future, and of the unknown. It is a refusal to see the truth in the illusion of life. The good news is that unblocking this chakra will completely transform your life. Be a willing participant in the present moment. Know that everything has happened to help your soul learn and grow. Release tension from the past. Trust the future will unfold from the present moment the way it was meant to be. Recognize fully that everything is perfect and everything is in a divine order. Get into the flow. Trust your higher self. Trust the greater purpose. Trust God. Trust the universe. You are eternal. You are infinite. This physical reality can be tough, which is why you chose to be here. It's like a school, and you are here for a purpose. You are here to learn. Imagine for a moment a bright indigo or purple color orb of light shining at the center of your forehead. Close your eyes if it helps. Imagine this orb growing bigger and bigger and more intense, and as it does, the truth becomes clearer. Feel your body. Feel your heart beating. Feel the air entering your lungs, the weight of your body in your seat. Feel your essence inhabiting this body. Be aware that you are not your body. You are the awareness that's aware of your body. Your body is like an animal that you control. It is your vehicle on this little sphere of a planet. Let this truth sink in. You are here for a purpose. Allow truth to activate your intuition. These truths are deep down. You know them to be true because your intuition is telling you so. Here's a daily practice to help enhance and unblock your third eye. Sit in meditation for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes at night. Release the past and the future and become extremely present. In this clarity, your intuition will kick in. Your mind won't be thinking about the future and it won't be dwelling on the past. When it's present, you will feel the excitement and the passion of the present moment, and you can feel what your inner being desires to do. In the mornings, you can do this and feel what your desires would like you to do today. Allow this to create your flow. Be in the flow. Live in the flow. Another practice to help unblock and activate this energy center is reading from enlightened sources at least once a day. Find a spiritual teacher that resonates with you and read their words once a day. This will increase your vibration and help get you into this magical flow. The truths of the universe will activate your third eye. As you're sitting here listening to this, recognize the atoms, the space, and the energy that make up the form of your body. You are an energy being. You are made of pure energy. Realize your awareness of being here now. You are that which is aware of the sensations of the body. Realize your awareness is not a solid object. Imagine a mirror in front of you. See the awareness that's reflected back at you. This awareness is unchanging as your body grows older. And this awareness is infinite. Allow this feeling of infinity to sink in. Visit these universal truths daily. By activating the third eye chakra, your life will begin to unfold with much more ease and joy. And this is just the beginning. The real fun comes when you unblock a chakra and you align it with the rest of your chakras to all work together. You may have other chakras that are partially blocked, so finding them is important. Once you unblock and activate, and then align your chakras to all work together, you can tap into unlimited energy, pure confidence, and live a passionate, joyful life. It's magical.